Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Smart Study Point. Friends, in this video I will tell you about which books to be followed for mathematics by class 9th and 10th student to get good marks in mathematics in this CBSE remoduled pattern of board examinations. Guys, CBSE this pattern has been become very much difficult for students to Guys, the first book is NCRT, that is your textbook for class 9 and 10, and the second book will be NCRT Exemplar. Guys, these two books are mandatory for you to follow because these are the two books which will be taught by your teachers in the school, and you have to maintain your copies for these two books. Yeah, you may not follow NCRT Exemplar, but you have to follow NCRT Mathematics. The other three books which I will recommend, the first one will be R.D. Sharma Mathematics. R.D. Sharma Mathematics is the best book and it is the basic one for all the students of class 9 and 10. Without this book, you can't do mathematics in class 9 and 10 because NCERT it is very limited. So let's see the main features of this R.D. Sharma book. The first one will be it is the best book for students of class 9 and 10. It is the must class 9 and 10 student should follow R.D. Sharma book. It is very necessary to clear all the concepts of the chapter because it is very vast. From a particular chapter, it is very necessary to clear concepts. It contains a huge amount of problems which will give you a practice from easy to difficult levels. From every level it has many questions. It give an alternative ways to get results of a particular sum, means one problem but many ways to find the solution, but it is very difficult, so you need a good teacher to help you for doubts because in R.D. Sharma about 30 to 40% questions you will have doubt. And now the second book which I will recommend you will be, it is a very necessary book, that is All in One Mathematics. All in One Mathematics is a very necessary book because as you can see the name, it is the board exam edition have already came of this book, so it is very much necessary. As you can see the name is All in One, so it has some features with All in One because you can use this book as your both as a reference book as well as a guidebook, because in this book you will find the results of all the NCERT solutions. NCERT solutions are very much important because you do not need any teachers to help you. And now if you can't solve the R.D. Sharma, then this book is the best option. This book consists all the value based and horse question, and you doesn't need a teacher to help you for doing this book because it contains the answers of each and every question. This book comes with the updated version of CBSE pattern with sample questions of periodic tests and board exams. Friends, if you don't know about the periodic test of 10 marks and about the board exam of 80 marks, then you click on the I button on the right top side of your screen and you will get one video where I have told detailed about everything of class 9 pattern, class 9 and 10 pattern. Now the third book will be Exam Idea Mathematics. It is a complete course book and it is very necessary for you all. This book will give you an idea about the examination of the board exam. It is the best book to follow during the exam because it gives you an idea about the exam pattern. This book doesn't have much questions, but the questions in this book are very much necessary for exam. During exam you should follow this book to get good results. And here also the updated version has already come, so you should buy this book and use this during your exams. And you does not need any teacher to help you because this book also come with simplified and it has all the answers. After completing your course, this book will help you during your exam. So guys, all these books are available in online. So guys, now online marketing has become very much easier for you and you can believe in those online marketing. So the updated version are not arrived in every market, so I will refer you to buy all these things from online. And I have checked all the online centers and I have checked the prices also, so I have given the link in the description. You can directly buy all these products from the links provided in the description with the lowest price. I have guaranteed that this price is the lowest price, so you can directly buy every book from the link provided in the description. So guys, I hope that you like this video. Thanks for watching. So guys, if you like this video, then please hit the like button and please share this video and subscribe to my channel to get more and more videos related to studies only. Thanks for watching.